In our first story, India's Chief of Defense Staff General Bipin Rawat is killed along with his wife and other officers in a helicopter crash. Condolences pour in from across the world. India's Chief of All Forces General Bipin Rawat, his wife, and 11 other people have been killed after a military helicopter they were traveling in crashed in the southern state of Tamil Nadu. The Indian Air Force said the tragic accident took place near the town of Kunur at noon on December 8th. One survivor is being treated for his injuries in hospital. The Russian made Mi 17 V5 helicopter was on its way from an Air Force base to the Defense Services Staff College when it crashed. The reason for the crash was not immediately known, and the authorities have launched an investigation. The type of military transport helicopter that crashed is widely used in India by the VVIPs and army commanders when visiting defense locations. The Air Force said Group Captain Varun Singh survived but is critical and is being treated in a military hospital. General Rawat, 63, was appointed India's first ever Chief of Defence Staff in January 2019, bringing under him the Free Forces, the Army, the Navy, and the Air Force. General Rawat had been in charge of a range of operations, including in the Union Territory of Kashmir. India's Cabinet Security Committee held an emergency session chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The Prime Minister said that Rawat was an outstanding soldier and a true patriot who greatly contributed to modernizing the country's armed forces and security apparatus. Arch rival Pakistan's Army Chief General Qamar Javed Bajwa expressed his condolences on the tragic death of Rawat and his wife, its government said in a tweet. The defense chief hailed from a military family with several generations serving in the Indian Armed Forces. The general, who had 4 decades of service behind him, had commanded forces in Indian administered Kashmir and along the line of actual control bordering China. In 2015, Rawat oversaw Indian surgical strikes into neighboring Myanmar when para commandos entered the country to attack Naga rebels who had ambushed and killed Indian troops.